Hi, this is Judy of The Crafty in Me, and in this video, I would like to share my craft haul from my first visit in the new physical store of Be Happy Crafts in Caloocan, Philippines. On that day, I was also privileged to do my scheduled live demo session for Be Happy TV and bond with my fellow Be Happy Craft brand ambassadors. So here are some snippets of what happened on that day before we go to the unboxing part. As you can see, there are a lot of craft supplies. It's really a craft haven for crafters. This is my setup while my fellow brand ambassadors are eating. And yeah, this is some snippets of my demo. Now let's start with the unboxing part. So let's start with We Are Memory Keepers mini brayer. Then I have the Tim Holtz Distress Refresher. This is to extend the life of your distress products like your inks, markers, and paints. Aleene's True Snow. So this is my second bottle of this one. Then a wax beads and a blank wax seal stamp. Of course, I got some distress oxides, so I have Abandoned Coral, Ripe Persimmon, Lucky Clover, Festive Berries, and Worn Lipsticks. I also got this vintage washi tape. And then I got some small stamps and Santoro Gorgeous stamp for my daughter. A Bo Bunny Botanical stamps. Another Bo Bunny, but this one is a Butterfly Kisses stamp. A Mink Floral Stamps by Heidi Swap. A Dari's Embossing folder. We Are Memory Keepers Revolution. So this is a card front floral die. And one of my favorites, Prima Princess cling stamps. This is Catherine, Princess Catherine. And another one is Princess Natalie. Then I got the Picket Fence stencil. It's a leaf stencil. And then a Santoro Gorgeous Time to Fly die set. And Kelly Creates large sentiments or celebration sentiment stamps. Second to the last is the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile Puncher and Eyelet Setter. And also a Tim Holtz Scissors. So these are the craft items that I was able to buy during my first visit at the new store of Be Happy Crafts. So if you'd like to try them as well, you can buy them through their website at www.behappyph.com, and you may use the code BA-Judy to get 5% off on these non-machine items. But if you prefer the machines, you can use the code BA-Judy3 to get 3% off. Thank you for watching. Bye!